Don't show.
Don't show it to me, show it to them.
Pare English, pare English. Nako, eto na. Yeah, okay. Okay, so it na. You saw it? Did you see it? Did you guys see it? Sa mga hindi nakakita, ang card niya ay. Let's see. Hey!
Yes, yes.
Wala ka sa rin. Big louder daw! Your card is ano daw? Black? Parang no.
Black?
Sabit ka, papi. Man. Yeah, it's red. Nice. Red. No. Ano loko?
Are you wondering why I have a tape in my mouth?
Why are you in your mouth?
Why?
Are you? Nah, yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah. Ay, go.
Are you eating?
No.
Ay, game.
Okay, explain.
Okay. Ma'am, yeah. Uh-oh.
Uy, there's a card.
What?
Oh, let me recap. Before I started the routine, I have a tape on my mouth. And this card is already inside my mouth before I started. Tama po, tama?
Tama.
Nagsimula ako, nakatape na, and this card is already in my mouth. For the very first time. What was your chosen card for the very first time? Can you please tell us? Kanina pa nasa bibig ko to, di ba? Tama? Nakatape yung bibig ko. Now, for the very first time, what was your chosen card? Now, we open what is this card inside my mouth even before we started the routine. And again, what was your chosen card? The Nine of Hearts? The Nine of Hearts.
Oh!
The Nine of Hearts, thank you. And you can have this as a souvenir. Can take this home as a souvenir.
Sa bibig mo yan.
Alright guys, so good evening. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. My name is Tonzi, amazing Tonzi, and good evening.